Welcome to Weapon Hub. Today we are talking about the Ruger SR1911, a pistol that brings together the classic 1911 design with modern craftsmanship. Ruger is known for building reliable firearms, and the SR1911 is a perfect example of that reputation. This pistol is designed for shooters who appreciate tradition but still want performance that meets today's standards. From the moment you look at it, the Ruger SR1911 gives a strong, timeless feel that clearly respects the original 1911 heritage. The Ruger SR1911 features a stainless steel frame and slide, which makes it extremely durable and resistant to wear. The solid construction also helps manage recoil, giving the shooter better control during firing. When you hold the pistol, the balance feels natural, and the grip sits comfortably in the hand. The textured grip panels provide a secure hold, even during extended shooting sessions, which improves overall accuracy and confidence. This pistol is chambered in .45 ACP, a caliber famous for its stopping power and proven performance. The Ruger SR1911 comes with a smooth, crisp trigger that allows for consistent and accurate shots. The trigger pull is clean and predictable, making it suitable for both experienced shooters and those who are still learning to handle a 1911-style handgun. Each shot feels controlled, which is one of the biggest strengths of this model. The sights on the Ruger SR1911 are designed to be clear and easy to acquire. They allow for fast target alignment, whether you are at the range or focusing on precision shooting. The thumb safety and grip safety work together to provide an extra layer of control, staying true to the traditional 1911 safety system. These features help ensure safe handling while still allowing quick operation when needed. In terms of performance, the Ruger SR1911 is known for its reliability. It feeds and cycles smoothly with quality ammunition, reducing the chances of jams or misfires. The recoil spring system is well tuned, H.